Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert video files to mp3 using VLC media player. So let's begin the tutorial. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So first of all you need to open VLC media player from the program file menu. Now you need to click on the media option from the top left corner and now select convert or save. Click on add to select your video file. Select the video file and click open. Now from the drop down list select convert. Here in the profile section you need to select mp3 audio. Here you will see different type of format, but you need to select mp3. Now click on the browse menu to set the location of your converted file, and you can see here in the file menu file name it's written .mp4. You need to replace this and change it to .mp3. Now click on save to start the process. As the process is started, you'll see progress bar in this section. Once the conversion process is done, you can close this windows and you'll find your file in your selected destination.